is that if you use the shirt, you got get more in. Yeah. Shove it too long. Where's the shovel? One over there? Should they have it down there? Hey, bring the short one. Yeah, they have more way for. Is that one too long?
Not sure about our angle anymore.
I don't like that one. Put it with a rock. I got a ball para Dubai.
I see what happened.
Yeah. What happened? Daisy talking with you. Champion, ¿eh? Después que la pegamos ya con agua.
¡Míralo! Cero. Hello.
Wow. Don't tell me now it's too small. We need 4x3.
Yeah, it's a big.
So daddy.
Come with the shovel front here. Here you have to come way up.
The box is built and it's all cut.
Okay. Still it.
You don't like my box?
Una,
3x3, no, 4x4.
Tiene sentido lo que él dice.
Mano funky de.
4x4 sería mejor.
Oiga.
Just got a one. Back in it was there. We got
My friend, you want to get more.
Jesus Salgado beat, but just only wash the rack and only move back. Follow all.
And it got.
You don't get any shop.
They start Hal Santana put 12 pounds in it and stop them. And they try lift it and they can't lift it.
Where you are, Mr. Harvey? But you back though?
Yeah, we back and go to Chicago.
Then they use it.
We back and go. But you tell them if you can't miss it, well, wash the rack you and what did you wash in your back? Either. You see what you got. Yeah, you can get so much mud.
The mud?
See the cement now, no fish food. Coming through. Maybe pork they come. Pork in agua? Yes, good food. How much maybe there? 20 bucks? $20? Are you see?
I guess the box should bring it closer. Yeah. Yeah, close it more.
But complete with the edge there.
Yeah.
Next time?
No, the next mix.
Next mix.
Wait.
Probably a bit of an overkill on the gauge of this wire, but it's free, right?
Mm-hmm. That's what we had.
Three's good. big. For sunshine. Dog.
Dog. I was just talking about glory. I thought I was showing you my moment of glory.
This is it, dude. You're on handy cam.
Do something impressive. Got my players back? My friend.
Oh, let me back up. Let's get the full shot of that.
No, no more.
All right, let's see it.
Down with your bad self. That'll be part of the Rama training. Like looking on me.
Do you have your pliers on you, baby?
No.
Watch out. Bad place to stand. God.
Wait, start over. Okay, cut. Go.
After many arduous debates.
After long and tedious debates, arduous, painful even, what I'm creating here is a dump floor. I have a series of heat sinks, I don't know where they are, in the toolbox somewhere. We'll link them up in parallel, and hopefully we gauge the mathematics right. And this will be what was it, 41 amps?
41 amps.
Sweet.
It's the Craig Elias
At
Treaty of
14.20
Punta.
volts. You'll notice here the attention to detail. 2 loops in the middle. That way we can make them parallel. On the outside, only 1 loop.
Nice. See you recut my wood.
Right here, the wave. This is an endorsement for 11.
Damn huge fly. Making the cat.
The LEDs are all poorly. This charge controller is kind of poorly designed. In terms of this button always falls out. The LEDs never line up with the actual holes for the lighting. So I'm gonna try loosening it and try shifting it up a little bit. It's just, I mean, you get what you pay for, you know. This is a particularly cheap model. I think it's cheap. It's still expensive. Charge controllers are expensive compared to the market.
Well, I like inverters. We didn't know they were that expensive either.
I mean, we need to clean up the. You got the press wrench, brah?
Which one?
The adjustable wrench
Where was it?
in the yellow bag set of tools. Amos was getting that. Huh? That's how you do it.
He's an Arab. Alright, Amos, you want to give me the big thumbs up?
I'd love to. Give me 2 seconds.
Nice one.